composed of two moving average like curves. Okay, these are not actual curves, but they are actually RVI values. The green line is the smoother RVI value, and the red one is the signal line. This indicator is viewed as a leading indicator because with it you are going to know if a current trend is about to end. And I'm going to show you how you are going to read this indicator. First of all, you have to look at the medium line, which is the zero line that separates the bear from the bull country, okay, or the bearish from the bullish side. Now, the way you are going to use this indicator is you are going to try to spot a crossover at extreme levels, okay? Now, for example, right here we have this move to the upside, okay? Let me just put it inside of this channel. Now we have this move to the upside, and when price hits the upside of the channel or the channel's resistance, you are going to go and look at the RVI. Okay, now when we hit this level, the RVI is still pointing up. Okay, and both the smoother RVI and the signal line are pointing up, but then you can see that the RVI has a bearish crossover at an extreme level. Okay, when the bearish crossover at an extreme level happens, you must close your position, because this means that the current trend or the current move to the upside is about to shift. There's one thing you need to understand about the RVI, and that is that the actual change in the trend is not going to happen immediately. Now, another good indication that the trend is about to change is a divergence between the RVI and price. You can see here that price is making higher highs. You can see that we have the first high here, and then we have a second high that is higher than the first high. And if you go to the RVI, you can see that we have the first high right here, and the second high is lower than the first high. This means that at this point right here, we have divergence between the instrument and price, which means that after having the actual bearish crossover at an extreme, we have divergence between the instrument and price, meaning that now we know for sure that this trend is about to change, and that this move to the channel support is not a corrective move before price goes up, but is actually a move that is going to break with the channel support and is going to push price down. So this is basically how you're going to use the RVI, and as I showed you on the bearish side of things, you can also use it on the bullish side of things, meaning that I just showed you how to read the end of a bullish trend by spotting bearish signals. You can do the same on the opposite side by spotting bullish signals at the end of a bearish trend.